Let's see how tall I am. Is that straight? Let's look.
Yeah.
I'm going to hold it right there. And then I'm going to move over here at 6 feet. I'm 6 feet tall. Wow. Maybe when you come back, you can measure yourself. We'll see how tall you are. Okay? But right now it's circle time. I better get ready before the kids get there. I'm going this way. Let's sing good morning to you. Ready? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. To you, 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 to me, beep, boop. We're all in our places with sunshiny faces, and this is the way to start our new day. Summer, fall,
Summer, fall,
winter, spring,
winter, spring.
I can learn
I can learn
anything.
anything.
Summer, fall,
Summer, fall,
winter, spring,
winter, spring.
I can learn
I can learn
anything.
anything.
What's that? That's the doorbell. We better open the door, see who it is. Maybe it's a surprise. I better move my foot and turn and pull to open the door. Cover your eyes for today's surprise. May I please come in?
Please come in.
1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Here we have today's surprise. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Here's one surprise. Whoa! What do you see? Some baby birds. They're looking up to see if Mommy is bringing them something to eat. They're very hungry. That's a sure sign of spring. The baby birds. Let's put the baby birds down here because there's another surprise. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! What's happening? It looks like something is growing. It is. It's a beautiful flower. That's a sure sign of spring when flowers start to grow, grow, grow. Let's put this flower by the little birds. Oh, because here comes another one. Starting to grow grow, grow. Watch that flower grow. What color do you see? Yellow. Yellow and green. So today we're going to be talking about spring. Bye-bye, flowers. Bye-bye, baby birds.
Robin in the rain, what a saucy fellow. Robin in the rain, mind your socks of yellow. Running through the garden on your nimble feet, searching for your dinner with your long strong beak. Robin in the rain, you don't mind the weather, showers always make you gay. But the worms are wishing you would stay at home, Robin, on a rainy day. Robin in the rain, you don't mind the weather, showers always make you gay. But the worms are wishing you would stay at home, Robin, on a rainy day. Don't get your feet wet, Robin, on a rainy day.
Whoa, it's getting cloudy. I hear thunder. I think it's going to rain. I'd better get ready. I need my boots. I need my raincoat. One arm, two arms. Zip. Zip, 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 zip. Oh. And my collar goes down, but I need something for my head. My cap. Now I'm ready for the rain. It's getting wet. I think I'll go back inside. I'm getting kind of sleepy. want the rain to go away, but I need accordion to help me. I hope the magic muscles are still working. Up, 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 accordion. Okay, let's see if he's ready. Okay, accordion, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Rain, go away, come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Guess where I am? In my big red chair. And do you know what? I am happy. I'm very happy because many of you called to say happy birthday.
Cumpleaños hoy. Mr. Mike. Yay. Mr. Mike.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Mike. Happy birthday to you.
We love you, Mr. Mike.
We love you, Mr. Mike.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Mordida, mordida.
That made me feel very special. I really like to hear that. And you remembered to say happy birthday. Some of you sang happy birthday to me in videos. So thank you so much. And you know, JB had a birthday too, a day after mine. So we sang happy birthday to him. We sang it on Zoom, and we had a good time because we had several boys and girls joining us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JB. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day, JB. That was a lot of fun.
Bye, bye, bye. Doodle doodle bye. Bye, bye, bye. Doodle doodle bye. See you another day. See you another day. See you another day. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.